Hey, Phoenix Genesis again. I got home, put the dogs in the house. Yeah, large parts of our roof from the complex fell into the yard. Isn't that lovely? Over here, got it over here. More of the roof fell off over here. Blew Ceci's pot all the way from there, all the way over here in the yard. There's more roof. Man, it still looks really creepy out there too. Oh, the smell, the wind started picking up again too. Over here, we've got more of the roof over here that came off. Yeah, kind of devastated all our backyards. The wind's picking up again too. All right, that's it guys. I'm going in the house. Talk to you guys later, bye.